Alright YouTube, what's up? Told you I had some videos coming. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. I'm gonna film as much of it. A lot of it's gonna be loud stuff like cut off wheel, grinder, things like that. So I'm gonna get as much as I can, but we'll see. I'm gonna show you what I gotta do. Catch 'em all. As you can see, this floor pan is gone. It is shot. Matter of fact, I don't know if you can see it, but literally I can almost put my, if I stood in it, I would probably fall through. Seriously. I've done one. I don't know if y'all remember, but what I call Project Skittles, I did the floor pan in it. It's not too bad, it's just really time consuming. The only issue with this car, when I went and bought it, I got what is it called, a replacement title, which doesn't show wrecks. This car was wrecked twice in its lifetime, within like 5 or 6 years apart, and there's some telltale signs that it was wrecked, which is fine. This, you'll just have to continue watching to see what we got going on with this car. But I'm gonna start cutting out the floor pan first. I have to be careful not to cut the frame right here. As you see, I don't know if you can tell, but that right there cannot be cut. That's what the pan's gonna rest on. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut out sections, small sections, to kind of go ahead and open it up and see my real bad areas. As you can see, it's pretty bad right here, but the rocker seems to be fine. It is a little bowed out right here, I guess, from the wreck, but we're gonna straighten it as much as we can. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out, cut this back, cut along the frame rail, try to get all that out. Alright guys, quick little update. Man, I hate doing this shit, because I know my skin's gonna be burning from all these sparks. I'm about, I don't know, 20 minutes into it. As you can see, pretty much cut out all the rot. The big rot, I haven't hit over there yet, but that's because where the frame rail's at. I'm just trying to cut out as least as possible. Not really worried about right here, because on this side, as long as I don't cut into the rocker panel, this is where it's gonna weld to. As you see the little lip right there from the factory. But I'm trying not to cut too much back here, because I'm pretty sure though the last one butted up to right here. But I don't want to cut out no more. Matter of fact, I may even leave that lip and clean this up and set the floor pan on it to give it some sturdiness. That ain't how I did the last one, but I didn't have a choice because it was rotted all up into here. But that's pretty much where I'm at. As you can see, I haven't cut into that frame rail, and I have to be careful not to cut into the cross member brace over there as well. But I'm about to go ahead and try to get the rest of this done. And as soon as I get it done, get this side cut out, I'll come back and give you an update. This is where I'm at. That's all the crap out of it. I got some spots I'm gonna have to patch. But anyway, I haven't even put it in. It's just laying there. It's not done. I got some massaging to do. But that is pretty much it. Give me just a second. I'm gonna move that out the way. Sorry, that's probably loud as shit. Anyway, this is what we got. I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna trim some more of this to straighten it up. I gotta leave a lip though, obviously to have something to tack to. I don't know if you can see it, but right here I've got some little pinholes. Again, I told y'all this car was wrecked. As you can see, it was. I'm gonna get the floor pan in. I don't know yet. I may go ahead and figure this out. A lot of surface rust in here. Kinda done came and cleaned all this up with the grinder. I know you ain't gonna be able to tell because I went ahead and I beat it down, but I don't know. Right there, it was gapped, so I took the hammer, kind of beat it back down. So this is what we got. I went ahead and cleaned up this line right here. As you can see, that's pretty much done. The inside, I got some more grinding to do right here to clean it up and pretty it up. But as you can see, the cross brace is out. It's right there. It was a pain. Metalwork ain't my thing. I like it, but I hate it. That makes any sense. But I went through with the damn spot weld bit in some places, like right there. I damn tore the metal. Right there I did, because I didn't get the spot weld all the way done, because I kept doing that shit right there. As you can see, that's a perfect hole. I did find some more rust through right there. I think I'm just gonna throw a little patch panel in there. I'm not gonna get a whole new one. I'm gonna get a little cheap sheet of metal. But that's pretty much it, guys. I still got some work to do. Probably another day worth of work left to do on this car. At least another day worth of grinding. And all that. Welding. I gotta order some weld through primer, because I had some, but it's crazy because I can't find that shit anywhere around here. And half of them ain't even heard of it, but I'm gonna get it off eBay. I'm gonna go ahead and order it tonight. That way, by the time it gets here, probably within a week, I'll have everything done in here to go ahead and prime it and go ahead and lay the floor pan in and the cross brace and start getting it tacked in. But that's where we are today. That's what we got. Thank y'all for coming. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. Do Mustangs.